Ever been locked out or worried about losing your car key fob? Imagine having a reliable replacement ready to go that fits your Chrysler Town Country or Dodge Grand Caravan perfectly. This key fob replacement promises seamless compatibility and hassle-free use, so you're never left stranded or stuck paying dealership fees again. I recently replaced the key fob for my 2012 Chrysler Town Country and was impressed by how straightforward the process was. The fob arrived fully assembled with batteries and electronics already installed, which meant no extra parts or confusing setups. What stood out most was the ability to program it myself using a simple key programmer, avoiding costly locksmith or dealer visits. Plus, the fob supports models from 2008 through 2016 for Chrysler and up to 2020 for Dodge, covering a wide range of vehicles. This kind of flexibility makes it a practical backup or replacement for many drivers. Beyond convenience, this key fob replacement is a smart gift idea. Whether it's Father's Day, Christmas, or just a thoughtful surprise, it suits anyone who drives these vehicles. It's reliable, trustworthy, and designed for regular key vehicles, not push-start models, so you know exactly what you're getting. Each package includes 2 keyless entry remote start controls, giving you an extra set or a gift-ready pair. If you're ready to avoid dealership headaches and keep your car access smooth, this key fob replacement is worth a look.